How to get API key in Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, then click on settings. Then look for apps and sales channels. Click on it. Then click on develop apps. Click on allow custom app development. Then click on it again. Okay, now click on create an app. Now just put in a name for the app. For me, I'll just name it as sample app, and then click on create app. Okay, wait for it. Then click on API credentials, and as you can see, now this is your API key. Just copy it and just paste it to wherever you want. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.